Welcome back to Auto Street, where today we're diving into a real beast on wheels, the 2026 Fleetwood Palisade Class A diesel motorhome. If luxury on the road is your vibe, buckle up because this thing is more than an RV, it's a four-wheeled palace. Picture a 45-foot masterpiece built on the rugged Freightliner Custom XCM chassis with a commanding 450 horsepower engine and a side draft radiator, paired with a Freedom Bridge foundation for supreme reliability and comfort behind the wheel. It's long, it's powerful, and it means business. On the outside, Fleetwood didn't hold back. You've got a molded fiberglass one-piece roof, oversized dark-tinted frameless windows, and a fiberglass rear cap that keeps things sleek and streamlined. Accessibility and convenience hit a high note. There are side-swing aluminum bus-style baggage doors with locking handles, a huge 90-inch full-base slide tray, and slide-out awning toppers above every slide. You'll appreciate the automatic hydraulic leveling jacks, automatic entrance steps, and a safety view camera system for confidence at every turn. Storied attention to detail? Check. Step inside, and this is where the Palisade truly shines. For the 45 CS floor plan, expect a bath-and-a-half layout with 3 slide-outs, sleeping for 4, and kitchen amenities that feel downright residential. You've got a king-sized bed, residential stainless steel refrigerator, convection microwave, induction cooktop, farmhouse-style stainless sink, solid surface countertops, and even a dishwasher. Yes, you heard that right, a dishwasher. Finishes lean upscale, shadowbox glass tile backsplash, polished countertop covers, deep pantry storage, and soft-closed drawers that scream luxury. The layout flex is versatile, whether you're chasing after the 45DS or 45FS, each delivers unique living features, and the decor choices like Mystic Moon, Horizon, and Berkeley let you suit your aesthetic. Performance-wise, it's no slouch. The Cummins L9 diesel power plant delivers 450 horsepower and a staggering 1,250 lb-ft of torque, with a 150-gallon fuel tank to match your wanderlust. Energy systems are solid onboard Aqua-Hot 450D heat, a robust 800W pure sine inverter, 100W solar panel, full coach water filtration, and 6 auxiliary AGM batteries keep life off-grid smooth. Basement storage spans around 172 cubic feet, room for the essentials and then some. Living room and bedroom TVs pop up when you're ready, with an exterior LED TV perfect for tailgate mornings under the 19 feet 8 inches awning with motion-sensing LED lighting. How much does all of this cost? Pricing is steep, but honestly, you're paying for cathedral on wheels quality. On RV Trader, Fleetwood Palisades generally range from about $430,000 to $576,000. Specific 2026 builds include the 45 CS hovering in the $569,000 to $570,000 range. Quite a discount from its MSRP of roughly $760,000, meaning savings around $190,000 if you catch the right offer. The 45DS version listed in Las Vegas clock in around $550,000. Meanwhile, the luxurious bunk and bath 45FS setup is stickered near $770,000 MSRP, but whichever dealer you're looking at might be offering it in the high $500K zone, highlighting that possible $200,000 plus markdown. So what's that feel like? It's rarefied, and when you mash the pedal carefully, you get that diesel grunt and commanding feel under you. Inside, it's residential calm, sleek lines, warm lighting, soft-close cabinetry, and luxury you'd expect from a high-end apartment. Sure, this rig isn't for the faint-hearted or light-pocketed, but if rolling in grand style matters to you, the 2026 Fleetwood Palisade is an instant flex on wheels. That's it for today on Auto Street. If you're driving dreams down the highway of luxury, this might just be your chariot. Drop your thoughts. What floor plan fits your lifestyle? Chat soon, and until next time, drive safe and chase that open road.